What if I told you there is a way where you can spend 15 to 20 minutes of your time and make $30 online? And what if I told you there is a way where you do the same exact thing and spend same exact time and make $217 online? Which one would you take? Well, if I were you, I would have taken $217, obviously. And in this video, I'm going to share how you can do it. You will not need experience, no technical knowledge required, no website, no hosting server, no mailing list, no social media following required. And you don't need to know how to make money online. You can do it from anywhere on the internet. You can do it from anywhere on the planet, and you can get paid through PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. Sounds good? Let's do this. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. This is very important to understand that this channel has a specific goal. Our goal is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way. And we cannot do it without your help. And you can help us simply by hitting the like button, sharing this video, and watching this video fully. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with everyone you know that need to learn or that want to learn how to make money online. Done? Okay, so let us begin. If you have low income or poor credit score and you think the prices are going high and income is going low, then chances are you have less number of people paying you money for your time, work, product, or services. Sounds different, right? Yes, because this difference makes you money, makes us money, and makes thousands of people money. So if you look at this on my screen, you see a lot of numbers. $217 is the commission that this person made from promoting one of my products. But what they did is actually did only one thing, that the same thing this person is telling in his video, that he made $30 gift card, not cash, gift card from a company called Capterra. Okay, let me explain. Capterra is the company that pays you for writing product reviews. So there are hundreds of thousands of products in there. You write review. Once they accept it, they will pay you some $10, $15, $30 or so. But here is the problem, and this is the big problem here. The problem is it's only one company, Capterra, and there is no proof that they pay you for every review you write. So if they choose to pay you, you make a few dollars. If they don't choose to pay you, you will not make money from your effort, your time. But here is what this person did differently, and we do differently, and thousands of other people do differently, and make on the average $41 from every payment and $6.85 from every visitor. Okay, let me explain again. This person actually came to me saying he likes one of my products and he wants to be an affiliate. So I gave him access and he wrote a review about my product. And he showed this review to 67 people. The offer was good, product was good, problem solving, and people bought it. Look at this. Not everyone bought it. 19% people purchased it. So basically, 13 out of 67 people purchased it. And on the average, every visitor, every people he showed his product review to, paid him $6.85. And this simple thing made him $217. Okay, now look at this. This is one of my accounts where I promote only my own product. So from this account, we made $70,000 last year only by writing reviews about our own product as affiliates. Did you notice the number here? This is the number, 29,308. So we showed our reviews, our product reviews to these people. They decided to purchase and they basically paid on the average $2 only, and we made $70,000. Wow. Now the next problem is, where will you get all these people? Who will you show your product reviews to? The answer is Speed. It is my product, by the way. It's a software, cloud-based software that brings people to you. This is the website that we use to sell Speed software, and look at all these results we got using the same method and same system. Here is another example, $3,990 earned from 2,000 visitors. Another income screenshot, another income proof, lots of proofs here. And you'll find testimonials as well. And this page basically, it describes everything about Speed. By the way, I will leave a link of Speed in the description below. Now here's the source of people, Quora.com. Quora.com is a platform where people ask questions and answer questions. So there are lots of interactivity and engagements. And that is why Google loved Quora. So out of 543 million monthly visitors on Quora, Google sent 70% of the visitors. That's so awesome. So you're basically getting Google's traffic or visitors without doing any kind of SEO or search engine ranking type of stuff. That's too complicated. We are not talking about this here. Here is the one person that got 11 million visitors for answering 15 questions on Quora. By the way, this speed software automates this whole Quora traffic driving process. You'll get all the descriptions of what you are going to get if you grab speed. All the details are in here. We build this application and we use it for ourselves every single day. And if you grab access before the launch period is over, you'll get all these special bonuses. And above all, your money, your investment is 100% safe with us, as we're offering 30-day, no question asked money back guarantee. Link is in the description, go grab it. Now you might be asking, okay, how does Quora work? So here's an example. Somebody asked a question, an interesting question. Why do people stare at you? This post literally went viral and somebody just answered. His name is Derek Murray. I'm a black African studying in India. Basically, I'm a foreigner and this is me. So one of, two of, three, and a couple of photos and a little bit of text. Look at this, 415,000 views from Quora just by answering one question. So go to his profile and you'll see total 623,000 content views and 21,000 views this month. All he did is answered 5 questions and asked 18 questions himself. All you need is when you create your Quora profile, make sure you put your links, whether it's your affiliate link or your website link or whatsoever, you put your links somewhere here, and you keep posting valuable posts. Like whether it's valuable post or not, you keep adding posts and make sure you add your links in your posts. When other people see your replies or your posts, they will go and look at your profile and they will find your link, they will click your link and they will buy from you, just like this. I made $70,000 from 29,000 visitors. My affiliates are doing exactly the same and even better. Look at this. This person is making $6.85 from each visitor. How much money would this person make if he would put his link right here with 623,000 visitors? Oh my God. So the solution to your money is, yes, write product reviews that will make you money. Use Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and write product reviews. And use Quora to attract customers by posting nice content on Quora and put your link in Quora. And if you want help, use Speed. Link is in the description. This will automate the whole process. This will make your life super easy. By the way, we give away this document. It's a 66-page document with 5,000 links of top traffic Quora posts. Here is an example and it's so funny. Look at this. How many fluid ounces are in 1 liter? Okay, this is a question that gets 56,000 monthly visitors. I just clicked on it. You're gonna get this for free for grabbing speed as a bonus. Okay, look at this. This was the question and so many people answered. Click here. Just by answering this little answer, literally from Google, this person received 8.3 thousand views, or literally visitors. Go to their profile and see what they have achieved. My goodness, 134 million content views. This person is super active, by the way. Answers a lot, asks less, posts a little bit, but look at the number of visitors achieved. Think about the amount of commission this person could have earned if they would put their links somewhere here. Maybe they're doing it in some other way. You can use Quora traffic and social media traffic in many different ways. But my job was to show you the people who pay you. So you literally have millions of people ready to pay you if you are active in a place like Quora.com. And again, shameless plug, my software Speed will speed up this traffic process, so the money process. I hope this video was helpful. The information was awesome, mind-blowing, educational. So was this video good? Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. This is how you can help us reach 100 million people and change the lives of 100 million individuals and families in next 10 years. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, you'll get notified when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. And we will see you in the next video.